Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to put a TikTok video on your WhatsApp status. So let's start. First open the TikTok app. Go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the video you want to put it on your WhatsApp status. I'll select this one. Now tap on three dots and tap Save Video to download it. And the video will be downloaded to your camera roll. Now close the app and open your WhatsApp app. Now tap on Status and tap on My Status. Now select the video you just downloaded. You can trim the video as you like, add a text or even an emoji. I'll just trim the video down. You can also make it a GIF and see a preview of the video. Now put it as your status, tap on the green button on bottom right corner and tap Send. And your status will be updated. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.